Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting to Wi-Fi on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of the tablet, open the Settings app. In Settings, tap on Internet at the top. Tap Wi-Fi to switch Wi-Fi on, then tap on Wi-Fi Preferences. Now choose the Wi-Fi network that you would like to connect to, fill in the Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Your tablet will connect to that Wi-Fi. Once you have connected to a Wi-Fi once and filled in the password, you can turn Wi-Fi on and off from the quick panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the Wi-Fi icon to switch it off and on. When on, the icon will be yellow, and when off, it will be grey. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fire HD tips and tricks.